Hurricane Center out with their latest outlook for the tropics, and the Climate Prediction Center today updating their outlook for weeks 2 and 3, which now takes us into the week of the 4th of July. I've got the latest. Here it is. First things first, in the short term, the National Hurricane Center not seeing any development in the next 7 days. The GFS is tracking a tropical wave in the Atlantic that could cross the Caribbean in the next several days and may make it into the southern Gulf, where there may be some low pressure formation, but it's going to be so far south, it'll basically almost immediately move back into Mexico. Still could be a concern, though, for parts of the U.S. as we could see that moisture head north of the Rio Grande and bring some heavy rain to portions of Texas, where they've already seen too much in terms of flash flooding over the last couple of weeks. We'll keep watching that, but right now, nothing that would be a major tropical threat in terms of a named storm to the United States. The Climate Prediction Center also getting in on the action today, updating their week 2 and 3 outlook. So this takes us into next week, all the way up through the July 1st date. And notice the only place they see any kind of potential development here would be in the eastern Pacific, off the coast of Mexico. Of course, that's where we have Tropical Storm Eric now. That's going to make landfall before the 25th, dissipate, but there is going to be a lot of energy off the west coast of Mexico. So could another system form out there? Yes. If it does, it's probably likely to head offshore. Their week 3 outlook now goes past the 4th of July. Let's take a look. Here's that week 3 outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. Notice the dates there, July 2nd to July 8th. So if you've got a cruise anywhere in the Gulf, the Caribbean, the Bahamas, it looks fine. The Climate Prediction Center not seeing any areas right now that would see likely development. Could there be some tropical waves moving through? Yes. Maybe some weak areas of low pressure? Sure. But nothing that they're seeing in their long-term outlook that would indicate a high chance of tropical storm or hurricane formation. It's still a ways off, though, so don't exactly just count on this. I'll keep you updated as they update this outlook in the next week.